Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is lubricate his side stand. This is absolutely terrible. Have a look. It's a side stand with a memory function. See, whatever you set it, it stays there. Wow. But that's not what I want. So guys, come on over and have a look. What are we gonna do? Now guys, this is very easy. Just give it a drop of oil, not too much, like this. And also on the rear side. Wiggle it, let the oil drip in. Yes, all mechanic. Then also over there is that, wait a minute, over there is the spring, see, and it rotates onto this, what is it, tiny shaft thing. So give that a drop of oil too. Yes, guys, that's much better. Up. Now, job done. Then, as you can see, this chain. Oh my goodness. Now, guys, see this chain. Watch this. Guys, it whistles. Now what I'm gonna do is first take a towel, put a lot of petrol onto it and get a bit of the rust away. Up, up, up. Up, up. Okay. This is a zillion years done. Wait a minute, then take it over here. Up. So. And I remember placing this chain onto it. That's not so very long ago, but if you do this with your chain, well, it don't last long. Already see it. It's a shame. My heart cries when I see such a neglect is out of the way. And then we're gonna lubricate it. This is white grease or a chain. And I do it a lot. See, you already hear the difference. A bit onto the rollers here. Hop, nou Beert, old mechanic. Sounds much better. It's nicely in the chain. So, I'm gonna wipe it off and then do it again. So, see? Now we're going to do it again. First here. Okay. Then here. Okay. Yes. Let it roll. Careful, there is a bit under the tire. Wipe it off. Hop. So. Is this? Nope, nothing much. That's guys. Okay. Now, Then while we at it, while we're here anyway, we're gonna give this a little drop of oil. Okay. Yes. Then this is also so. Now, let's move to the other side. Now, I'm gonna give this one a tiny drop of oil too. This, so, not too much, just a bit. And then this one is out of the way for a moment. You could also use chain grease. That will do also. But yeah. Then we have this one. Break. Now guys, that was a quick video. Not quick. Just do some cheap maintenance, some lubricating some things, your chain, which was absolutely necessary with this one, the side stand also. Give those foot pegs a drop of oil and you're good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel guys, really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up, also good for the YouTube algorithm. And I hope to see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out.